Imagine sipping vintage champagne on a Zodiac boat past massive glaciers while quietly pumping liquid gold inside your designer parka. Yes, mamas, you can absolutely book an ultra-luxury expedition with Silversea Cruises, explore the most remote corners of the world, and keep your breastfeeding goals totally on track without sacrificing an ounce of glamour. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to pull off the ultimate high-end adventure while pumping at sea. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your favorite space for navigating motherhood without losing your bougie aesthetic. Expedition cruising used to mean roughing it, but Silversea has completely redefined the game, blending wild bucket list destinations with white glove butler service and sprawling suites. But when you're a pumping mama heading out to sea, you need a flawless strategy. Grab your favorite beverage and let us dive into the ultimate guide to navigating pumping on a luxury expedition. First up, let us talk about your secret weapon on board, your private butler. Every single suite on Silversea comes with dedicated butler service, and this is where luxury travel becomes a total game changer for pumping moms. Standard stateroom mini fridges are great for holding a few ounces, but they might not always be cold enough for long-term deep freezing. Do not stress. Simply inform your butler on day one that you are storing medically necessary breast milk. They can arrange for your milk to be safely frozen in the ship's commercial deep freezer, carefully labeled, and kept at freezing temperatures until disembarkation. Your butler can also restock your suite with fresh distilled water daily for washing gear and ensure your suite stays pristine. Next, let us tackle excursion day logistics because expedition cruises are all about getting up close with wildlife, hiking remote trails, and riding zodiacs. You do not have to skip a single excursion just because it is time to express milk. Invest in a discreet, wearable pump like an LV or Willow that slips right into your nursing bra underneath your heavy outerwear. Pair that with an insulated travel chiller like a Sears Chill, which keeps your liquid gold cold for over 20 hours without needing messy ice cubes. You can literally pump while cruising past sea lions, pour the milk into your sleek thermal container, and drop it into your waterproof backpack. It is hands-free, completely private, and wildly efficient. Finally, you need a plan for getting all that liquid gold safely back home across state lines or international borders. Before you sail, check if services like Milkstock can ship from your final disembarkation port, or pack a heavy-duty, high-performance travel cooler with solid gel ice packs in your luggage. Silversea staff will happily assist you with packing your frozen stash on the morning you depart the ship. Just remember, when flying back through airport security, inform the agents right away that you are carrying medically necessary breast milk, which is exempt from standard liquid limits even if your baby is not traveling with you. Pumping on a luxury expedition is not just possible, it is an empowering flex. With the right gear and top-tier service, you can conquer the world without missing a drop. If you loved these luxury travel hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a thumbs up and drop a comment below sharing your dream cruise destination. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you on the next adventure. Safe travels, mamas.